tubamara ndetse shobora icyenda na bishatu ikiri mu prayer book yesu wasozaga kandi cyashatu cyo bamara kandi asoro pasacho original kandi ko abayoboka bakora ikintu no kuremesa nisho baba bakora examo tukacurera tukahuna maje rero bakora
For a moment, should I bring a drum? Small drum? They are going to bring the bed. For a moment. What is simple?
Let's give them our ears, please. I'm told Chief Lewis is with us here. We thank you. Thank you so much. Church of Uganda from the evening. Thank you.
tubakire hanyuma bacare. Thank you for coming to grace this occasion. Kwa kweli hapo inakusiza wewe kwa yapale ya kuja kupenda kuachia na kusima kama penzi msha. Kwa kanisa celebration hii myaka 3 tukenda mtubagalo ubutumwa alibwe bitusha tunangwele music dance and drama katika kubali kwa celebrating kandi kasani kakaye katika primary schools kwa katika senior secondary schools post primary institutions today makanisa ngozi wengi na competing. We started with our sub-parishes parish archdeacon now is the diocese. We have 11 archdeaconries. So we have 11 choirs representing archdeaconries. Washakana the second choir na Kanyamburoko represented by Ulema. You are yet to see other choirs. Kanena Wazania Kashano representing the archdeaconry. Tukabaka kulizeni uhamba okuli transportation and hygiene okuyondo no ejimi and then food security in our homes. The new drama theme is enough now. So you are most welcome, and I think they are going to tell us this kind of fire and kuachia kuhusu budget kama mkezi.
Thank you, Bishop. This is the Nyamirama choir and is going to stage set piece and the original composition Western style. Thank you.
Yes, Yeah.
coming in. Thank you so much for coming. And right now, let's welcome Chi St. Andrews, Chi Church of Uganda. St. Andrews, please come in. Yes, this is St. Andrews coming in. And once again, we shall request that we just lengthen our ears so that we avoid congestion and sound pollution.
Now
Everday, of which we feature for that set piece, and now they are preparing for regional composition, Western style. Thank you so much. You can see the Father's Union President, Justice Chichisi. Thank you so much for being with us. All the teachers of post-primary institutions present, thank you so much for being with us. Wish Sir Peter Isala, thank you so much for being with us. Kandi n'abajimena bongera kubaca n'abashinzwe hamwe events. And once again, let's give them our ears as they present the regional composition, Western style. Thank you. Mereka kemudian merapat mengunggah. We are so much honored. Yeah, we have the chairperson of Service Commission and all the district local government, Mr. Kazungo Badia with the dear wife. Warmly welcome. Thank you. Inspector of Schools, Mr. Nito Robert, I'm told you are with us here. Thank you so much for being with us. We welcome you. This is St. John's, Kabuga, on stage. They are preparing for regional composition, Western style.
Iwe bantu mwe
celebrations. Let's appreciate it. Now we welcome Kuhoma Church of Uganda on stage. And today we have several things running through our celebration. Tunaosi Biblia, tunaosi Biblia, tunaosi every day we have different items have different sub-themes. And in these songs which we have, tuinemo sub-theme and we are reminded that the set piece is hymn 113 in Unyankwe. But the original composition is based on a sub-theme called sanitation and hygiene. We shall also have sub-themes in other items in the poem and also the choral songs. So the candidates of the sub-themes is simply thank you.
Yeah.
through with the set piece, and now they are preparing for original composition, Western style. Brethren, we are so much blessed to host Fort TV. They are with us here. You are so much welcome. Mr. Kiki, you are welcome. Fort TV is also here, and we are live on air. Thank you so much, Kayonza, Mele Mnoga. And once again, tuijakueleza Makritu as they stage original composition, Western style. Thank you. We smile a bit and we give them our ears. much. Once again, praise the Lord. God is good all the time. Mama, thank you so much. And Mr. Toyo Joseph is the leader has reminded me of our this year's theme, never to get tired in doing good. And as this team is coming in, allow me to welcome Brother Anthony Kenneth to direct us on the next theme. Thank you. And this is Roteka coming in. This is Roteka coming in. They are following Kayonza, having been represented by Mohoma, St. Paul's Church of Uganda. Thank you so much. And once again, let's give this team our ears so that we can learn a lot from what they are giving us. By the moment we make noise, we shall be competing and we shall not get anything. So as they finish, we smile a bit, we cheer them a bit, but then we give a lot of attention. Thank you so much. This is a taken on stage. And our guests who have just come in, they are beginning with a set piece. And then later on, they shall give us original composition, Western style.
Ooh. wa mkaga.
Karibu.
Nenchi beyendeze habaho
Ninjire chikondo wakire.
ikikore cyo nakire
Tuwategereze ku cyagenda.
umushanya yakwisere
Kwata wa.
Habaki?
Kwata. Kwata wa. Bahatero bashobwa kwatanuka.
hona shikana ha foto
Ndikubi. Kuko kuchimanya ndikubi.
kandi cyo yamanisho nga yazikwasa yagwero rwajuru mwe
Aza konka. Niwe chinkureba. Turukubi. Kuko chinkwenda imitaga kusumirwa.
ukuzo mu yirwaro okay nangwe cyo tikine shonga echo kuzo mu yirwaro tikine shonga kuko kwiyaho nani nyenda tukikiriza ingane mu kintu ecyo mwame beyendeza kicyakube cyo kugira ngo eshonga zarga haza yongera yake
Okwenda kwanjira umuhereza umbyemizano utaferwa program y'akadirisa buri rwa kashatu turi kwishaho ibyafayo by'abazani n'ibiri kubakwataho. Akadirisa nikakorwa ganda mazoba arwo kubanza no rwa katano kugashamwenda okwisa shamwenda necwe kazihangwe aha TV West nehinda
Utaferwa.
Omuntu yabanda tibine madine taina titinenenti.
Nikareba ngura musimu nikaza kushaka tuwe arikurire abaje mutamwise
Omuzano gwo nyamurungi ogwa Ankore Actors
ati bwemba tinkwikirize kukogera toyogera ohurire
TV West buri wa kashatu n'urwa kana shahina zecho omuzano ogu niguba gurumu ebirikwegesa birikushemeza kandi bikakushashanura busa Ankore Actors nigwo muzano ogwo utashemerire kuba nofera
Otaferwa.
Hello, my beautiful people. I got it. Yeah, this is your girl, the beautiful one, Lala the Vibe with.
Nalomwishe Simba GK aka the one kantuja kubizusya ngo tuti ni home shonji
Program.
okurugari yake
Monday to Friday rock banza pakora katano.
shaha mshanje necweka mpaka
Shaha mwenda zo mwihangwe.
Yes, aho kubano cyake shongora ko kwenda tukakakuterera ntuturu butono ninga shiki
Live.
aha TV we
Kandi twakwiraho na Vibe.
yes
Hey.
Nakani bueno. We love you so much. Stay tuned tubakunda.
Bye bye.
Binchi nibambuza ebibuzo.
okushaba no kuhimbisa nicyo twebembeza burikire ubwo turi kusima ruhanga ahawe icyonco cy'amagara agatwire buri Sunday shashatu z'akasheshe aha porogaramu yandi ya Musimanta nituba twinira abahereza ba Mukama abari kwiza umwoyo wawe n'ikigambo cya Mukama hamwe nabo abari kuba batuhereza ubujuruzi aha byababireho no kubabirabiremo
twegiteho aha programu yareba hindijire ahitira ko bantu kwegesa okuwa kubasa kushikiriza biroto byawe
Siko nabeninde bantu kanitegatika ngo kuza kushwera ntabasa kuba naga ko mwikuru aineke mwani ni expectations zina benyine kokana abawana ekeriyo kujya ngo ushwe bomushija orukutina rahanga
natabantu tayisa abantu abarabiro mbintu nyamwinji konka bakatunga cyo barakwenda
ituntu twatugamba rungereza
mazima
excuse me sir, although you are a teacher, We cannot keep quiet when you are leading us astray. Niho nahuririre headmaster yayemerera nawe yagamba kanta kataranyebire. I know. Familiarity breeds contempt. Headmaster yihayoruga.
Yakutero.
Very good for.
Headmaster asata jireba.
Yega kurabiro mbinte baraberemu otunje kumanya no kwetegereza rero tunje kishumuruzo cyo kwangura kandi okega no kubicira nyensi.
Kurunogira ngo toragire mu kanisa buriya bu school fees bura ukaba no yegomba kushoma kintu profession cye wabe no ko
abashomeza kunabemba rebo mu shomero ndabari smart bakabajwara bashomeza bitu bajwara impare ngufu na za stocking ndengwa za kaki
abajenyi bitu nubabana batuganirira ahabinte baraberemu kandi nubababina no bahabuzi obwakubasa kukuyamba kushikiriza biroto byawe
ranga kandi etumunsi konkanyizire kugashaki ndyaye gasiraki ndya kuna kuferizoba abandebere baryagambaki
reba hindujire nebereho bursande shahina ze kiro aha TV West Honga
tandikiza bakurunji na simka program aha TV West twegiteho okurugoro kubanza okwisirwa katano okutandikana shahi mweza kasheshe aha TV West oboro kutunga biri kugarura mu mujinya okumanya nebindi binji
imwe mutense umuringo gwanyo ko himuri kugira ngo bundi tukaje utakubasa kutambira tukaje twakubasa kwihaho
urukubanza netubane tuganira habiragiro nebyo bwegese ebyino mugashahariwe urwa kabiri netubatuye n'abahangu abari kutwegesa ahabimishuburo ne sente ebyakubasa kongera mani omurugendo rwawo rubukozi urwa kashatu netubatuye n'abahumuriza abari kugaruza imitima yitombuteka hamwe no kugonjora shonga z'amaka
omuntu okubowa mani ningashi umunyeto ku buryo wo mani izina no ryekora kandi izina ryo kwekora ry'umunyeto izina ryo rukweto wakuze
urwakana nituganira byo butegeci hamwe nebitwihinduririze ebyakubasa kwinura ihanga ryitu eriri kwesimisa kandi urwakatano nitwendera sande n'amashemererwa ubwo turi kuhereza amakuru agari kubanegashemeza twegiteho aha TV West buri kasheshe shaha emwe
Oyu no mukuru nkembaga AGM za Sako, graduations, emipira n'enkunga n'izindi noyenda ngo abantu bazilebe live ningashibutuno aha TV West utaferwa mu gishogu ubwo hati TV West nebasa kwereka omukoro gwawe aha kabeyi akacendezibweho live ningashibutuno tukirire aha office zitu omuri Boma Mbarara ninga oteresi meji ya notina ikomenina ashatu nshanju not TV West nehinda oye necho urukwenda kumanya ahabikwatirine no buhinji no burisa
abarebi ba TV West koro ryo munyeto no kitandika no tunga kasente kawe kaki reka tukakoremu ecyamagezi
buru wa kabiri shaishatu necweka zekiro netuba tukwinire programage eri kwegesa ko wakubasa kwejumbira mbyo buhinji no burisa kandi ukabasa kwetungura okurabira umwogogo
hakwarwo rutoke wahengo rutoke omwaka gumwe nemyeze mukaga notaka kuzumukatari
tuyamchia seed oil tugipakinga kandi tutandikira kusupplyinga ho mu supermarket yagamu na pharmacies
wano okora notaya kurambura inspect if you don't inspect you don't expect
farming arimwe cyama cyamani
urwa kabiri ishatu nishoka kusya shahina tuba twine abahinji n'abarisa bo mutano omuherezo wawe ndi Ivan Tsimi
Otaferwa
abacigatura binji abacigatura binji tukanyira abacigatura binji ikunu turiyo nakuri turiyo up down downtown no changayo ikunu turiyo nakuri turiyo ihona hona no changayo ya de makome meja okurugomeshozi yakigeze straight ota uchimbirika terteri Otaferwa program omushonje na Simba GK aha TV West urwo kubanza mpaka urwa katanu okuruga shamushanje necweka paka shamwenda zo mwazi turahwayo turi binji tukanyire mazima tukanyire
cyo kabaya urugo ryo
otaferwa
muzano gwonya murungi kurugomba kigeze Universal Actors
uwo mwana wakunde itakoresha kutaka
hati muri kaba bono musika wawe no nohorenda kukuhungurira off kid
obuzanogu nugwegesa benji ahakombe kamaka gakahangara manya buri maka gine shonga zago konka wazikwato
kwa tstahiku Tereza hiyo ninyenda kwa muslimu mzaki ya mokore ya mtafari ahamu
umuzanogu nugubagura ubu rwo kubanza n'urwa kabiri shayina zekiro kandi nugujagarkwamo buri Sunday shamunana zihango TV West nehinda
obujulizi ebyembabazi enkora birungi tugambira omuntu owakolera ekintu ekyo taryebwa magara gawogona
izina nikamazima aini abanyankore nibagira ngo entasimwa haburo waje mwini ntwara umugisho kusima madamu asimwe Aneti yebare kuba muzire ninyujuka nukushoma ishomero ebintu bikaba bitangwe nango mwe feasible kongo kankwata hamukono wankunda nabo mwana wambera muzire mwene rahanga kumpere mishi ninkusima ntine bwariciro nkera hamutuma yebare nahindi oine omukono omuryeche mukama akumpera mishi hareche shongoro ombiburu ekinkwasa kikugira ngo Yesu akanjije imbabazi ekyati Paul mweni akakeshongoro nanisha bakagendere kimwe aho
tuhewa ushezo mbabasi hawo kwichiriza konka imwaba mwini echika nimura uchemuzachi
amazina ni Nyesimba Jike and of course nyori izoba nije kusima munywanu wanje untaragambo mwizina but
mothers of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best doctor in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like a geisha bar, staying strong and go on so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far, lasting long like this geisha bar.
Strong and last long.
Like geisha.
Omupira niko kure pacha nugurese nasharamwe babiri bashatu manager wa Kamusime Sacco Limited yagubuyaho yaeza mutaiwe ko manager wa Radio West na utayangwi sisi yatambura bisisi nashaba bire batazo yagutuma ayiguru omwikagwa wabu abantu barubirizi Bushenyi Rutoto Nyakasharu habona Kasese Mutaferwa okwerebera muzano gwo mukago agati y'abakozi ba Kamusime Sacco Limited hamwe n'abahereza ba Radio West na TV West ogura biri kumye koza kwa katano omwakogu omushayi ekyande kyerubirizi mwizo mbwingi mwerebera abahereza ba Radio West na TV West okuba kuchanga kapira akaba pro
ekintu n'okukyobusera kukyamugenda mu byabo
Tijahanuye n'ekuru nungeri kugamba betumi. Tijahanuye n'ekuru nungeri kugamba betumi. Kugamba by'obuyonjo n'ahamagara gitu. Namwe n'obubaka gitu. N'omubyaro bito mututi. Nitishaba kukwata kisanite. Turinde by'obuyonjo.
shemeza amagara uri kurabira aha program rinda umubiri bubi wa mukaga shahe mwiza kasheshi aha TV West.
Otaferwa.
Hello, my beautiful people. Agani, Juliaho, this is your girl, the beautiful one, Lala the Vibe with.
Nalomishye Simba GK aka the one kantuja kubizusya ngo tuti ni home shonji
program
okurugaryada
Monday to Friday rock kuanza pakora katano
shaha mshanje necweka mpaka
shaha mwenda zo mwihangwe.
Yes, aho kubano cyake shongora ko kwenda tukakakuterera ntuturu butono ninga shiki
live
aha TV we
kandi tukakwiraho na vibe.
Yes.
Hey,
ngakani mbeno. We love you so much. Stay tuned tubakunda.
Bye bye.
Tenza mukongo we. Tenza nyakunye pari kuiraro. Tenza mukongo we. Tenza nyakunye pari kuiraro.
You are so different. Oh yeah, we don't worry about it. You don't think about it. I do, I do, I do, I do, I do, I do, I do. Hejuru kundo teka shara, uzima jikume kebendera. Dika yoko fantasy.
I'll be your ninja, your sexy ninja. Nyamwa, sisabora kota, niyo pesana makongo wana geta semera.
Waliwo hustler, 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 get the people. Mobulamu amusibe njegere.
Orwa mukaga.
Karizo. Nenchi beyendeze habaho ninjire kikondo wakire.
Ekikondo cyo nakire yabu.
Tuwakitegereze ku cyagenda.
Umushaya yakwisere.
Kwata wa. Habaki kwata. Kwata wa. Bahatero bashukwa kwatanuka.
Hona shikana ha foto. Ndikubi. Kuko kuchimanya ndikubi. Konka kandi cya manesho nga yazkwasa yagwero rwajurumwe.
Aza konka. Niwe kinkureba. Turukubi. Koko shinkwenda imitaga kusumirwa.
Kuzo mu yirwaro. Okay, nangwe cyo tukine shonga. Echo kuzo mu yirwaro tukine shonga. Konko kwiyaho nani nyenda tukikiriza ingane me kintu ecyo mwame benyendeza. Kicyakube cyo kugira ngo eshonga zarga haza yingira yake. Otaferwa.
Omuntu yabanda ati madine taina titinenenti. Ikareba ngura musimu. Ikaza kushaka tuwe. Alikwinire. Abachi mutamwise.
Omuzano gwo bunyamurungi ogwa Ankore Actors.
Ati bwemba tinkwikirize kogera toyogera ohurire
TV West Burua Kashatu Norwa Kana Shahina Zeche. Omuzano gwo ndaguba murumu ebikwegesa birukushemeza kandi bikakushashanura biza. Ankore Actors nugwo muzano ogutashemberire kuba nofera. Okugira amagara marungi nicyo cyo bugiga icyo buri muntu arikwetenga. Nitubane tukoretera abahangu omu by'amagara barukwegesa uko wakubasa kurinda je amagara gawe. Program eji neyigesa nk'omuntu ashemerere kukora kuyakuba yakwasirwa oburwire obu turi kuba nituganiraho n'abahangu.
otaferwa
abacigatura bingi abacigatura bingi tukanyira abacigatura bingi ikunu turiyo nakuri turiyo uptown downtown notsangayo ikunu turiyo nakuri turiyo ihona hona notsangayo ya demakome meja okurugomeshozi yakigeze straight ota uchimbiri kateriteri otaferwa program omushonje na Simba GK aha TV West urwo kubanza mpaka urwa katanu okuruga shamushanje n'ecweka paka shamwenda zo mwazi turahoye turi bingi ukanyire mazima ukanyire
cyo kabaye urugo ryo mu kitaro ni bingi Maria tuwayo
bingi nibambuza ebibuzo
okushaba no kuhimbisa nicyo twebembeza burikire ubwo turi kusima ruhanga ahawe iconco cy'amagara agatwire buri Sunday shashatu z'akasheshe aha porogaramu yandi ya Musimanta nituba twinira abahereza ba Mukama abari kwiza umwoyo wawe n'ikigambo cya Mukama hamwe nabo abari kuba batuhereza ubujuruzi aha byababireho no kubabirabiremo
twegiteho aha programu yareba hindijire ahitira ko bantu kwegesa okuwa kubasa kushikiriza biroto byawe
ko nabeninde bantu kanitegatika ngo uza kushwera nabasa kuba naga ko mwikuru aineke mwani ni expectations ezinabenye ko kanamba wana ekeriyo kujya ngo ushwe bomusheja orukutina rahanga
natabantu tayisa abantu abarabiro mbintu nyamwinji konga bakatunge cyo barakwenda
ituntu twatugamba urungereza
mazima
excuse me sir, although you are a teacher, we cannot keep quiet when you are leading us astray. Niho nahuririre headmaster yemerera nawe yagamba kanta kataranye bire. I know. Familiarity breeds contempt. Headmaster yihayoruga.
Yakutero.
Very good for.
Yega kurabiro mbinte barabiremu otunje kumanya no kwetegereza rero tunje kishumuruzo cyo kwangura kandi okega no kubicira nyensi
kurunugira ngo toragire mu kanisa buriya bu school fees bura ukaba no yegomba kushoma kintu profession cye wabino ko
abashomeza kunabemba rebo mu shomero ndabari smart bakabajwara bashomeza bitu bajwara impare ngufu na za stocking ndengwa za kaki
abajenyi bitu nubabana batuganirira aha binte barabiremo kandi nubababina no bahabuzi obwa kubasa kukuyamba kushikiriza biroto byawe
ranga kandi eto munsi konkanyizire kugashaki ndyaye gasiraki ndya kuna kuferizoba abandebere baryagambaki
reba hindujire nebereho buri Sunday shahi naze kiro aha TV West Honga
obujurizi ebyembabazi enkora birungi tugambira omuntu owakolera kintu ekyo taryebwa magaraga ugona
izina nkamazima ayi abanyankorera bagira ngo entasimwa haburo waje mwini ntwara umugisho kusima madamu Asimwe Annette yebare kuba muzire ninyushika nukushoma ishomero ebintu bukaba bitangwe nango mwe feasible kongo kankwata hamukono wankunda nabo mwana wambero muzije mwene rahanga kumpere mishi ninkusima ntine bwariciro nkera hamutuma yebare na hindi oine omukono umuryeche Mukama akumpera mishi hareche shongoro ombiburu ekinkwasa kikugira ngo Yesu akanjije imbabazi ecyati Paul mwene akakeshongoro nanisha bakagendere kimwe aho
tuwewa bushezo mbabasi habo kwichiriza konka imwaba mwini echika nimura uchemuza
amazina ni Simba GK and of course nyori zoba nije kusima munywanu wanje untaragambo mwizina but niyenda kumusima kugira ngo ebero kibanza byo kubanza 2024 nkagenda narwara nabakubi ntine zirwaro ntine cyo kurya yandaberaho yamfaho yashashira all my hospital bills yamfunire cyo kurya yandebera kandi nabaje kazagaruka mu rumonyi n'amani ninjye abantu batakumanye cyabireho konko muntu wo kwahorhona mukama akunkumere kandi akeshongoro ninyenda bakumpere. My God is bigger okurgo wa best Emily.
My God is bigger than end of my troubles. My God is bigger, He is bigger. My God is higher than end of my mountain.
Yejunise namba yitu ya WhatsApp noti mushanje mukaga 2 98 82 nkaga 2 otebeze eki yakukolire rero nsiyone manye kuno muntu w'umutano rero tumusime hamwe program tumusime aha TV West nehinda
okugira amagara marungi nicyo cyo bugiga icyo buri muntu arikwetenga. Nitubane tukoretera abahangu omu by'amagara barukwegesa uko wakubasa kurinda je amagara gawe. Programme eji neyigesa nk'omuntu ashemerere kukora kuyakuba yakwasirwa oburwire obu turi kuba nituganiraho n'abahangu.
Nyachunani. They are saying, take care of the creation. Take care of the creation. Thank you, Nyachunani Mebali Mnonga, Nipanga Ngochacho of Uganda, Kandi Bwechiri Nyachunani Kubuseba Dikun Penakwas Mnonga. Basi wana wanyama mcheze tuwatanise, tuwasime, tuwatiri Mungaru. Mebali Mnonga. And this is St. Peter's Cathedral coming in. When Chile Basima Vanyabo, to Achino Mishime, David Tagarukayo, as well as Bagoyaha, the Katuachi, Mushim Bakango Pronga, David Tagarukayo, thank you so much for being with us. Mukama Sime. We are so much honored to host Bandahura Banat, and we hope you are here. Bandahura Banat, thank you so much for being with us. We do welcome you. Twin Senior Agricultural Officer, Kandungu District Local Government, Mr. Peter Isal, thank you so much for being with us. God bless you. Uishemwe Wakarara Fred, I'm informed you are with us here. We welcome you and thank you so much for being with us. We have Canon Fred Kabisha, I'm informed you are here. Canon, we welcome you. And we have Canon Moses William, we hope you are here. We have a blog of Vanity. Mreche tuwatanise, tuachire St. Peter's Cathedral, tuwahereza matugeitu, tuwende kubasha kaho changu. Thank you and thank you. keyongireho. Cathedral Mary Mnoga, we thank you. Dear Chief Guest, allow me to have this announcement. This announcement is coming from Windy Community Hospital. Windy Community Hospital is having an exhibition outside there, near the diocesan office gate. And allow me to inform you that they have the following free services. Free services. Hypertension screening, eye screening, first aid services, and one blood rocks check. Ibachebera pressure, ibapima meisho, ibachebera sukari, kandi n'obuyambi bwaho naho. This is from Wind Community Hospital. Outside there, they are giving these free services. So please, you can check with them for these services. When we thank you and thank you. Executive Director, we thank you for these free services. Tubatereza hatu. grow. Thank you so much. Mureke tuwaseme tuwatere kumugabo. Western composition. Thank you. Kandi tuachira all saints Elione Tahamu, and as they come in, allow me to inform you that Bishop Balam University is outside here, and among the service they are offering right now, they are accepting applications, they are giving consultations, they allow consultations, and they are handling career guidance. Bishop Balam University is outside here, and they are giving, among the services, these three services are there right now. Applications, career guidance, and consultations. Please, if you are concerned, check on them. This is Chirima, Church of Uganda, representing All Saints. All Saints.
Mwebale abantu ba Chirima Church of Uganda. Thank you very much for your good presentation of the set piece. Thank you very much. We want to recognize a representative from Stanbic Bank, Uganda. Mwachire Mdonga. Thank you very much for being with us, for the good work you are doing. Chirima Church of Uganda Parish, representing all saints at Diaconary, and presenting their piece that has been composed, their original composition, Western style. Balieni Betegura, Okutaho, original composition, Western style. Kandi twicizana ngo abana bapresenti abakandi kabati abandi tuna tuname tubisamisho. tureke kuyomba abantu bahingura umugarare ahingura aho twacama ko kuyomba katuzana.
I
And we want to appreciate people of Chimatacho Vigan Kubonjere Karo Noga. And this has been the last team with set piece and also the composition Western style. Icho wachimaraje mnoga kandi bakora chini. Also, ababaina kuturuhure mugongo twashitama munonga tushekinge mukamagara rero tukurize mune mpaka haleluya wawe wapasita niko
My Lord Bishop and all of us, celebration is part of our spirituality. Simaruhanga no kushakusa shindaka kwate okwikiza Yesu. Abari ku muriyokwe mwereza abari kumpulire muriyo gambiro kubyaro bashikwa babunamiro gake. My Lord Bishop, unitirize musabe yebembero mujene mukuru archdeacons and the clergy na government officials ze kureba ibyaherwa aha ibyo mworeko and we are shabangu turahuke kugayo as we this with this celebration about Ribona Archdeacons, DPC, Sebo Chairman, wa Service Commission, na Agriculture Officers Bona, hata mbashabe muse yabo kwa ile kwa kora abe baba zamu kama as we prepare for another session where you find about living streams people muteho chimwe then fire itahe with another item. My Lord Archdeacons,
the item next on stage after living streams fire will be poetry. Sumutegurepo Rujeyo Kashayo Chacho Uganda, Rujeyo will come and present a poem. Living Stream take over as Kashayo comes along to present a poem. Kandi baba nibeshongora aba Living Streams tugende turebe exhibition turebe mwero omworeko uganishe n'ibindi. Meanwhile, Kashayo Choir preparing to bring a poem and praise and worship Him.
okwenda kwanjira ombuhereza omubyemizano otaferwa programu y'akadirisa buri rwa kashatu turi kwishaho ibyafayo by'abazani n'ibiri kubakwataho. Akadirisa nikakorwa ganda amazoba arwo kubanza n'urwa katano kugashamwenda okwisa shamwenda n'ecweka zihangwe aha TV West nehinda.
Here just searching, still deciding, what am I watching? We are what? Unstoppable! We are what? Unstoppable! I'm at my business, enjoying success, nachusa address, all our progress. We are what? Unstoppable! We are what? Unstoppable! But first wait, with what internet? 4K HD, non-stop action. We are what? Unstoppable! We are what? Unstoppable! Jerry car. With MTN. We are what? Unstoppable.
With you and MTN together, our progress is unstoppable.
We are what? Unstoppable.
Are you part of a talented Catholic or Anglican choir? Sing for a chance to win cash prize of up to 36 million shillings in the National Martyrs Choral Festival 2025. Simply register with only 100,000 shillings. Using Airtel Money, dial *185 *9#, enter code 1175850, the amount and customer reference. For MTN users, dial *165 *4#, select goods and services and the merchant code NV3. Share a 3-minute video of your choir singing a hymn together with your payment ID to our WhatsApp 0776 877 528 with the choir name, church and diocese before Wednesday 14th May 2025. National Martyrs Choral Festival 2025 is brought to you by New Vision and its partners.
Uganda mwenna mwebale kusima Bachogera Hub Products olw'okufufugaza endwadde z'ensusu zonna tunyiriza bato n'abakulu era basimye empeereza yaffe tuleese bipya ku katale omuli Chogero Vitamin Jelly Pink ono ng'anyiriza ate era ng'ajjanjaba. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama, I'll be strong and go so far, lasting long like this geisha bar. It's strong and lasts long like geisha.
Tayari curry powder akanzari tayari katwire ne karibwa kandi kari kwesigwa okurenza emyaka 20 mu katale. Teka ebyo kulya byawe orukosa kanzari katayari curry powder.
Shemi Events hamwe na Grand Promotions nibakuletera Ankore Culture Festival Season 2 hariya ntungamo Chamate Stadium ebyo byokwezi 17 ukwa katano 2025 okutaha omutwaro kumwe gwonka kandi VIP mtwarebi ijotere ndongo ya Eddie Kenzo, Fix for Micah, Lady Pazzo, Greeny Daddy, Meditex Americana, Lady Diana, Megaton, Nabararam Foforo. Endongo tujikubatiro na misana, Bouncing Castles, Evyesubo, Face Painting Savannah, Sakasi. Yemawe, Ogunomro, 17th May, Tunga Mochamate Stadium, Ankore Culture Carnival, Season 2. Muratevia nevitekanange nyana, evyanywa mate, evinyire. Gonna be sponsored na Timu Bakery, Aquafina, Pepsi Cola, Kazero Kumbucha, Starbucks, Shemi Products, Highlight Electronics. Nah.
Bell Lager, fresh vibes, Bola enjoyments.
Alcohol is not for sale to persons under 18. Please drink responsibly.
niko kure pacha nugrese na sharamwe babiri bashatu manager wa Kamusime Sacco Limited yagubuyaho yaeza mutaiwe ko manager wa Radio West na utayangu sisiro yatambura bisisiro na shababire batazo yagutuma hayiguru omwikagwa wabu abantu barubirizi Bushenyi Rutoto Nyakasharu Habona Kasese Mutaferwa okwerebera muzano gwo mukago hagati y'abakozi ba Kamusime Sacco Limited hamwe n'abareza ba Radio West na TV West ogura biri kumye kozo kwa katano omwakogu omushayi ekyande kyerubirizi mwizo mbwingi mwerebera abareza ba Radio West na TV West okuba kuchanga kapira akaba pro
n'abaramusi ninye Didier Drogba umubaro rw'abantu abarkwinga n'imitwaro 25 nabafera umuru butandu ahanguto zo muri Afrika buri mwaka iki nkinyerekereza abo kwa butandezi nizibasa kutangwa kwaratenda jireji kwerinda butandu fayo munonga uyesube urukoba rwa motoka nakuba ku buryo mushabaza baba barya abana batungere intebe z'abana zo mu motoka kandi zine nkoba kandi okimanye ngo abana tabashimire kushitama umisho ga motoka wabo ari amuhanda kwaratara amateka agakuhebwa twena tukuma magara gitu twentantare butandu ahanguto za Afrika
So how much is this?
20,000.
Hello? What should take this? This is 20,000. We pay.
Invitation byazinga hehe. Umutwaro. Kale murondo murabihe nanye nabaje. Murondo arabitwara motoka y'aba driver.
Ari yabitwara.
Driver wanjara. Iwe Tor. Murondo muntu mwabita motoka yanje kamba hajiri.
Nyarurembo.
So these are
okay.
I think na case.
Food first.
If you keep your food there, it will remain warm. This one, I always use it when I'm taking my people to work. You just put there and cover the top. It will remain warm. It cannot be cold. Oralewa bita motoka.
Yes. Ahmed, I see it. Yes, you are right.
Very wonderful. You can't believe that your food will remain warm. Mwebala kada kakutandika karogo mwene. Mwebale. You see you. How are you? Thanks for coming. Bless our family. We are very grateful. Uganda Christian University. I know what they are doing in the whole country. You want to put this on me? Thank you. I'm blessed to have this. I'm one of the records. Thank you very much. Thank you, God bless you. We are happy for your coming. Wow, you have this. That's good. Yeah. Where she will go. When she grows old. Mwebale. Yeah, our university. They are asking for this album. Hey, for this play. Oh, I think you have it. For the other programs, I think they are there. Have certain personalities. Never mnongo. Okay. Good. Another food industry. This is Kerala supermarket. This is Kanyankole supermarket.
Yeah, these are.
Yeah, they make. What you are asking me? How much is one?
You give these people what they want.
Okay. Mwana ngo babahe muri ko yenda reba bangurira.
Muzare babaho butebe.
Miroko babahe. Miroko muzaha babahe. Babahe. Then you come as a group. Mwamara mwije ka group.
So ona rere nitugiye korera. Okay.
Bari kuje mwana. So this is
ni baba ni yona ni Kerodet.
Keroda team. Okay.
The same extension ni ba Ifas nabandi. Mwebale munongi imwe. Aba naba mobile aba nabo ni baronda sente. Anet kadogo arahi ndi akwenda bintu byabaye umuchana kadogo na yekorere Mepo
kama simu spinach eneza zinga rukumi mama ijana wenda kugura spinach icyo gura spinach imifungo engati imifungo n'ingahe leta leta mwisho kwetraji wa mwana jobwira Noza kuzileta ekulu mushando zilete mbepo mwebale abana bo bushera
nabe kitongo cyo bushera abana be kitongo cyo ntonga n'ekitongore ekitongore kini kiha n'ekyo bwoki nibakora bwoki.
Thank you very much. Pastor, thank you. Mwebale bwoki
Yebare principal yebare Can you tell us?
So you're welcome. Thank you, my honorable and the team. Here we do make coffee. Okay. And this one is Arabic coffee. And we also have Robusta coffee. Okay. The difference is the Arabic coffee has a good scent. It has a better aroma. Okay. When you take it. Okay. And then for Robusta, it has a little bit more high caffeine in it, so it keeps you more alert and a bit more active. Okay. Yeah. So this one is a coffee brewer. This one is basically for making, for blending coffee. Yes. Then we also have this one. This one we use it basically to, it can even be used to grind coffee. So basically in the coffee processing, we first do the coffee harring. And after the coffee harring, we do the coffee roasting. Okay. So these ones are the roasted coffee beans. Okay. And then this one here, we can even use it to grind, as you can see. So this one can grind coffee, and then you're ready to take your coffee. Then this one here, basically it has two parts. Here we power here water, and then we put here our coffee, and then we do the blending. So we do the blending from here, and then the coffee comes from this side, it comes here, and then it gets down here when it is blended, and you have your pure coffee to take.
Thank you very much.
Yes, my reputation.
Arabic,
so Arabic is this one. This one is pure Arabic coffee. These ones are specifically selected.
So, but you said Arabic is good.
Yes, Arabic is better. Yes.
Hey. Okay. Torana Kamba Haji.
Thank you very much.
Kamba Hajire. Okay. I think Canon we are finishing.
We are finishing. This one is so Arabic.
So, we proceed now.
Big thing about the MTN Super. Wali yakapia musite wali yakapia. Wali yakapia. MTN kabo the Super mustairo mpia. Then you kabo the smartphone nebi yakabibiona. Wali yakapia. MTN kabo the Super mustairo mpia. Then you kabo the smartphone nebi yakabibiona.
Letunjire kabode super esimu nse ya smartphone lero tungeza GBs 16 zabusha tandikana deposit y'emtware na necweka lero zindo zishashure mpora mu bicweka buri izoba uri kushashura sente ziri hansi ya shiringi 10 nobasa kushashura buri wiki nare buri kwezi kiri hariwe turi hamwe amashemerero gito tigine kizivira amateka n'ubushunshureke nibukuratirwa MTN ni rebero Uganda Communications Commission.
Utaferi.
Omuntu yabanda ati madine taina titi net. Ikareba ngo musimu. Ikaza kushaka tuwe. Alikwinire. Abati mutamwise.
Omuzano gwo bunyamurungi ogwa Ankore Actors.
Ati bwemba tinkwikirize kogera. Toyogera ohurire.
TV West Burua Kashatu Norua Kana Shahi Nazeche Omuzano ogu guba murumu ebikwegesa birukushemeza kandi bikakushashanura busa Ankore Actors nugwo muzano ogutashemurire kuba nofera Eshaha zaba mnana zihangwe na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Kubei Dondolo. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Binchi nibambuza ebibuzo
okushaba no kuhimbisa nicyo twebembeza burikire ubwo turi kusima ruhanga ahawe icyonco cy'amagara agatwire buri Sunday shashatu z'akasheshe aha program yandi ya Musimanta nituba twinira abahereza ba Mukama abari kwiza umuyo wawe n'ikigambo cya Mukama hamwe nabo abari kubana batuhereza ubujuruzi aha byababireho no kubabirabiremo okugira amagara marungi nicyo cyo bugiga icyo buri muntu ari kwetenga nitubane tukoretera abahangu omu by'amagara barukwegesa uko wakubasa kurinda je amagara gawe. Porogaramu egi neyegesa nk'omuntu ashemerere kukora kuyakuba yakwasirwa oburwire obu turi kuba nituganiraho n'abahangu.
Obujulizi ebyembabazi enkora birungi tugambira omuntu owakolera ekintu ekyo taryebwa magara gawe gona.
Ivinda ni kama zima aini abanyankore nibagira ngu entasimwa aburuwaji mwini ntwara umugisha kusima madamu asimwe Aneti yebare kuba muzire ninyujuka nukushoma ishomero ebintu bikaba bitangwe nango mwe feasible kongo kankwata mukono wankunda nabo mwana wambera muzije mwene rahanga kumpere mishi ninkusima ntine bugarukiro nkera hamutuma yebare naha hindi oine omukono omuryechi mukama akumpera mishi hareche shongoro ombiburu ekinkwasa kikugira ngo Yesu akanjije imbabazi ekyati Paul mwene akakeshongoro nanisha bakagendere kimwe aho
tuwewa bushezo babasi hawo kwichiriza konka imwaba mwini echika nimura utemuzachi.
Amazina ni Nyesimba JK and of course nyori izoba nija kusima munywanu wanje untaragambo mwizina but ninyenda kumusima kugira ngo ebero kibanza byo kubanza 2024 nkagenda narwara nabakubi ntine zirwaro ntine cyo kurya yandaberaho yamfaho yashashira all my hospital bills yamfunire cyo kurya yandebera kandi nabaje kazagaruka mu rumonyi namani ninja abantu batakumanye cyabireho konko muntu ogo kwa horona mukama akunkumire kandi akeshongoro ninyenda bakumpere my God is bigger okurugo wa best Emily.
My God is bigger than any of my troubles. My God is bigger, He is bigger. My God is higher than any of my mountains.
Yejunise namba yitu ya WhatsApp noti mushanje mukagi 2 98 82 nkaga 2 otebeze eki yakukolire derensiyone manye kuno muntu w'umutano rero tumusime hamwe program tumusime aha TV West nehinda
tandikisa bakurunji na simuka program aha TV West twegiteho okurugoro kubanza okwisirwa katano okutandikana shahe mweza kasheshe aha TV West oboro kutunga biri kugarura mu mujinya okumanya nebindi binji
imwe mutense umuringo gwanyo ko himuri kugira ngo bundi tukaje utwakubasa kutambira tukaje twakubasa kwihaho
urukubanza netubane tuganira habiragiro nebyo bwegese ebyino mugashahariwe urwa kabiri netubatuye n'abahangu abari kutwegesa ahabye imishuburo ne sente ebyakubasa kongera mani omurugendo rwawo rubukozi urwa kashatu netubatuye n'abahumuriza abari kugaruza imitima yito mbuteka hamwe no kugonjora shonga z'amaka
omuntu okubo wa mani ningashiwe umunyeto ku buryo wa mani izina no ryekoro kandi izina ryo kwekoro ry'umunyeto izina ryo ndio rukweto wakuze
urwakana nituganira by'ubutegetsi hamwe n'ebitwihinguririze ebyakubasa kwinura ihanga ryito eriri kwesimisa kandi urwakatano nitwendera sande n'amashemererwa ubwo turi kuhereza amakuru agari kubaniga shemeza twegiteho aha TV West buri kasheshe shaha emwe
twegiteho aha programu yareba hindijire ahita urugo bantu kwegesa okuwa kubasa kushikiriza ibiroto byawe
siko nabeninde bantu kandi tegatika ngo uza kushwera ntabasa kuba nanga ko mwikuru ayineke mwani ni expectations zizina benyine ukana amabana ekeri yo kujya mu shwe bwo musheja okutina rahanga
natabantu tayisa abantu abarabiro mbintu nyamwinji konga bakatunga cyo barakwenda
ituntu twatugamba urungereza
mazima
excuse me sir, although you are a teacher, We cannot keep quiet when you are leading us astray. Niho nahuririre headmaster yayemerera nawe yagamba kanta kataranyebire. I know. Familiarity breeds contempt. Headmaster yihayoruga.
Yakutera.
Very good for.
Headmaster asata jireba.
Yega kurabiro mbinte baraberemu otunje kumanya no kwetegereza rero tunje cishumuruzo cyo kwangura kandi okega no kubicira nyensi.
Kurunugira ngo toragire mu kanisa buriya bu school fees bura. Ukaba no yegomba kushoma kintu profession cye wabenoko.
Abashomeza kunabemba rebo mu shomero ndabari smart bakabajwara bashomeza bitu bajwara impare ngufu na za stocking ndengwa za kaki.
Abajenyi bitu nubabana batuganirira ahabinte baraberemu kandi nubababina no buhabuzi obwakubasa kukuyamba kushikiriza biroto byawe.
Ranga kandi eto munsi konkanyizire kugashaki ndyaye gasiraki ndya kuna kuferizoba abandebere baryaga